Hello children, welcome to the online classes. This is first standard English textbook page number 23. Okay, all of you open your first standard English textbook page number 23. This is the poem Yellow Daffodil. Yellow Daffodil. See here children, here what is the meaning of daffodil? Do you know children? In your surrounding area, so many plants are there. So many flower plants are there. You have seen those plants. So many colors of flowers you have seen in your surroundings. So many colors. Okay? But here they have given yellow daffodil. Yellow daffodil. See here children, yellow daffodil dancing in the sun. Yellow daffodil dancing in the sun. Oh, yellow daffodil, you tell me spring has come. Oh, yellow daffodil, you tell me spring has come. I can hear a bluebird sing and hear a robin call. I can hear a bluebird sing and hear a robin call. But yellow daffodil, I love you most of all. But yellow daffodil, I love you most of all. See here children. This is a poem. You have to recite this poem. Very small poem it is. Yellow daffodil. Everyone likes the color yellow. It is very looking nice color. The sun will be in yellow color. Yes or no children? Sunflower, it will be yellow color. It is very looking nice. Christmas tree will be yellow color. Roses are in yellow color. Then marigold. So many flowers are in yellow colors. I will also like yellow colors. You will also like yellow colors because yellow is a very nice color. Okay. Turmeric. It is also yellow. It is when we use that in house only. In the food items we will use that turmeric powder. See here. Yellow daffodil dancing in the sun. See here. Yellow daffodil. Where is the sun? See here. In the sky the sun is there. It is very bright. Very hot also. It gives us heat and light. See here. Through these also the plants will grow. Okay. See here, the yellow daffodils dancing in the sun. These are all flowers. They are all dancing in the sun time. It means daytime. Where is the sun? The sun is in the sky and it is in the daytime. Oh, yellow daffodil, you tell me spring has come. You tell me. Yellow daffodil, tell me, in the springtime, this is spring has come. What is the meaning of spring? The spring means season between winter and summer. The season between winter and summer when new plants grow and flowers bloom. See here, the flowers are blooming. Wow, what a nice garden. So many birds sitting on trees, sitting on that. See here, gate, that like so many flowers, they are blooming in this garden. Wow, looking very nice, no children? Yes children. In the spring means season between winter and summer when new plants grow and flowers bloom. Robin, see here, and here a robin call. And here A robin call. Who? Robin, a small brown bird. Where is that? A small brown bird. It is robin. It has called, but yellow, yellow daffodil, I love you most of all. The robin. This is the robin bird. This is a brown bird. Its name is robin with a red breast. See here. With a red breast. There. It loves most of all these. The spring season, the sun, the cloud, the tree, the flowers. So many flowers blooming in the garden. Okay. Very nice garden it is. If you want to see the garden, you will also go where there is a garden in your surroundings near for your home. You will also go and see. Okay, children? See here. Once again, I will read this poem. You will listen carefully. Yellow, yellow daffodil, yellow, yellow daffodil, dancing in the sun, dancing in the sun. Oh, yellow, yellow daffodil, you tell me spring has come. Oh, yellow, yellow daffodil, you tell me spring has come. I can hear a bluebird sing, I can hear a bluebird sing, and hear a robin call, and hear a robin call. But yellow, yellow daffodil, I love you most of all. But yellow, yellow daffodil, I love you most of all. The bird is like these all daffodils. See here, these are the birds. This is the spring season. On that time only the flowers, the new plants grow and flowers blooming. Okay? See here children, you have to recite this poem. Next you will come this one. I will read for you this question. Read the poem. Pick the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. You tell me dash has come. Which one has come here? Spring. Already they have given no here children. Spring. Right here. S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring right here. The second one is and here a dash call. And here a robin call. R-O-B-I-N. The third one is dancing in the dash. Dancing in the sun. Right here the sun. They have given in the box already. You have to choose it and write here. I can hear a blue dash sing. I can hear a blue bird. Which bird it is? Blue bird. What is the color of bird? Blue bird. Blue bird. Where is that? I can hear a blue bird. See here. Blue bird. Okay. I can hear a blue bird sing and hear a robin call. Robin means this one is robin. The blue bird is calling to robin. Okay? See here. I can hear a blue bird sing. Okay, turn the page. Next one. Answer these questions in one word. What color is the daffodil? What is the color of daffodil? Yellow color. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Okay, the second one question is, what does the poet love most of all? Daffodil. 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 Okay. See here children, they have given you here, build your word power. The poem is about the daffodil flower. Do you know the names of some other flowers? Already you know some flowers because you have seen in your surroundings. So many flowers you have to use in your home. Already we have used no in your daily puja for form. Okay? Okay. Look at the picture of the flowers given below and read their names aloud. Then find their names in the word search. Marigold, the second line. See here, M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, marigold. The second one is rose, R-O-S-E, rose. See here, in the last column, up to down, R-O-S-E, rose. The third one, sunflower. The fourth line, from bottom to, top to bottom, in the middle, fourth one line, sunflower is there. Lotus, it is the sixth line, L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Daisy, here, left to right, the second line, D-A-I-S-Y, daisy. These are the flowers names they have given here. You have to search in this box given those name of the flowers. Search your letters and circle that. Okay, name of the flowers. Okay children, you have to recite the poem, this one. Then write here only this, fill in the blanks and answer also. Okay children, take care, bye.